Wait, scratch his ear now. It's the human dog. That was nice. She don't like to be scratched on the ear. Unlike you, she doesn't.
So what she likes? Like petting her head like, who's a good bird?
Antonio.
Who's a good bird? Who's a good bird? Who's a good bird?
Yo, get your hand off me.
Why'd you do that?
Antonio.
Kalima.
What the hell? Oh my god, his stomach is like freaking hardcore. You can punch it and like poke it and it won't hurt at all. And you look like you're taking the shit. Alright everybody, say goodbye. Bye!
It hasn't started.
You already know who I am, so I'm not gonna say goodbye.